July 22nd. It's more than a high summer date. What links bomb blasts in Jerusalem, one of the largest solar eclipses of our lifetime, the birth of modern genetics, and a royal newborn from Britain? Hang around, because this date weaves together empire, science, conflict, and legacy in ways you never expected. Welcome back to Earth Sights on This Day series. Today, on July 22nd, we'll explore sweeping historical events, from genetics breakthroughs to astronomy, terrorism, and the arrival of a future king. Let's see how each story unfolds on the same day across decades. On July 22nd, 1946, the King David Hotel in Jerusalem was bombed. It was the British Mandate's headquarters, until the Irgun, a Zionist paramilitary group, planted a massive bomb in the basement to destroy evidence of its terrorist activities. On the 29th of June, 1946, the British forces conducted Operation Agatha, which involved raiding the premises of the Jewish Agency in Irgun to gather evidence of their involvement in terror attacks. Thousands of arrests were made and documents confiscated. The documents were taken to the British administration headquarters at the King David Hotel. On the 22nd of July, 1946, the Irgun planted an explosive device in the basement of the hotel. A bomb threat was called in, but 91 people were killed and another 46 were injured. On July 22nd, 2009, skies darkened across Asia in the longest total solar eclipse of the 21st century, lasting nearly 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Millions in China, India, Japan, and the Pacific witnessed the midday turn to night. Tourists packed their eclipse glasses. Pilgrims formed queues, because this was a once-in-a-lifetime event. In Greece, tales recall ancient myths come alive. In 2009, we saw cortisol drop, eyes lift, and a shared gasp. It's like Mother Nature pressing the pause button on Earth, an instant reminder we remain planets under powerful solar dominance. July 22nd, 1822, in what is now the Czech Republic, Gregor Mendel was born. As a monk and scientist, he spent years observing pea plants, different colored flowers, round or wrinkled seeds, and he discovered inheritance patterns. He figured out how traits are passed down, coining dominant and recessive alleles. It would take decades before scientists recognized his groundbreaking work, but today he's rightly called the father of genetics. Mendel's quiet monastery garden transformed biology. From peas to people, his laws laid the foundation for modern genetics. Think of black and white chess kings and pawns. It's simple, but inside that simplicity lie the rules shaping life forms, genomes, even disease. On July 22nd, 2013, Prince George Alexander Louis was born to Prince William and Catherine in London. As second in line to the throne, his arrival sparked global headlines, royal celebrations, and generated excitement across the Commonwealth. Think baby fever meets institution. But Prince George also symbolizes the future, modernizing royalty for a new generation. July 22nd isn't just another date. It's a day where science illuminates life, nature compels awe, and royalty welcomes renewal. From genetics of peas to family front pages, it's a date rich in meaning. Thanks for joining Earth Sights on this day. If this episode inspired you, like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Drop a comment. Which July 22nd story moved you most? And share this with history lovers,